Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Nugroho Kuncoro Guritno. Today I would like to tell you how to make Srikayo. Before that, for your information, Srikayo is a traditional food from Palembang City, South Sumatra Province. Srikayo is very easy to make and the required materials are easily obtained. To make Srikayo, the ingredients we need are: the first is 10 pandan leaves that cut into small pieces. The second is food coloring. The third, 1 cup of sugar. The fourth, 6 eggs. And the last one is 500 milliliters coconut milk. Okay, let's restart. The first step to make Srikayo is put the pandan leaves into blender. Add some coconut milk. Then we blend it. Okay, that's enough. After that, strain the blended pandan leaves. And take the strained water. Okay, we just need strained water. After that, put 1 cup of sugar, coconut milk, six eggs, and we put some food coloring. Just a little. After all the ingredients added, then we stir until all the ingredients entirely mix. Okay, that's enough. After that, we pour the mixture to the molds. This is the molds. Before that, we have to turn on the stove. Okay. Make sure to not fully fill it. After that, we put the molds into the steamer. Okay, then we close it. Okay, we wait until 15 minutes or until it's cooked. Okay, it's already 15 minutes. Let's turn off the stove and remove the molds into the plate. Okay, this is it. Srikayo ready to be served.